Hey guys, we're talking maintenance on your mass airflow sensor today. If you're experiencing lower MPGs, a sluggish engine, or maybe the engine won't even start, you may want to try the trick of cleaning a small sensor called the mass airflow sensor. For us here at 75 Built, we noticed a recent drop in MPGs as soon as we upgraded our tire size to 285s on this Tacoma. But we thought we'd go ahead and clean the mass airflow sensor just to see if we can improve this sad little 12 miles per gallon that we're getting. Ouch. So, the mass airflow sensor is a small meter that simply sends critical information to the ECU to help calculate and maintain the right balance of airflow and gas mixture inside your engine, no matter what temperature or altitude. The mass airflow sensor is typically located within reach under the hood on most cars, along the airbox, held in by screws and a connector harness. To remove it, unclip the harness, take out the screws, and do not drop the screws down into the engine bay. The sensor will easily detach for cleaning, and please handle it with care. Do not touch the protected sensor wire on the side since it's the most fragile part. Spray it down with some cleaner very gently. We are using CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner here, and admittedly we are probably cleaning the sensor a bit too rough in the video, so just note that. When you feel it's clean, wipe the sensor down and let it dry for a few minutes. This cleaning is recommended every 10,000 miles or so. As you reinstall, be gentle with the screws in the plastic and reconnect the wiring harness and you're back in business. Now, give your engine some time to register the change, and we hope this improves some of the issues. For us, we only saw a small amount of MPG gain, but this Tacoma runs super smooth anyways, indestructible. Okay, give us a like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and comment below if you have anything to add. Thank you, and see you next time. you.